Okay, this is question number 22 on the June 2015 calculator paper. Question 22 says, Claire is making a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread loses 12% of its weight when it's baked. Claire wants the baked loaf of bread to weigh 1.1 kilograms. Work out the weight of the loaf of bread before it is baked. So we need to work out the weight of the bread before it's baked. As you're reading through this question, you should think about what it's asking you to do. And because they're asking you to sort of go backwards and think about how much it weighed before it was baked, this should give you an idea that this question is about reverse percentages. And there are several different techniques of doing this. I'm going to show you one that I consider pretty straightforward. So the original weight of the loaf, its original amount was 100%. Remember, the question said it lost 12% of its weight. Losing 12% means that that was taken away. 12% of its weight disappeared, and so its final weight is 100 take away 12, which is 88%. Okay? Remember, Claire wants the baked loaf of bread to weigh 1.1 kilograms. So after it's baked, she wants it to weigh 1.1 kg. So in other words, 88% is 1.1 kilograms. Now, that is what you need to be able to do first, or get to this point, in order to proceed and solve this question. So you need to think about this in the way that I just described and come up with this, because once you've done this, we need to eventually find what 100% is. Remember, work out the weight of the loaf of bread before it is baked. So we need to work out what its weight was before that 12% disappeared. In other words, the 100%. So I'm going to use this statement here to first of all find 1%. If 88% is 1.1, 1% is going to be 1.1 divided by 88, which I'll get my calculator and work out. 1.1 divided by 88 equals 1 over 80, which is 0.0125. Okay, so that's the 1%. 100% is going to be 0.0125 times 100. And let's see what that is. 0.0125 times 100. And that's 1.25. And that's kilograms. That's what I'm going to write in my answer space, 1.25 kg. It's already written there, but that's fine. Okay, this is a straightforward question. These questions, reverse percentages questions, are very popular on the calculator paper. Make sure you understand them, make sure you can do it, show your workings, and understand it clearly to get full marks.